Good morning. How do I look? This is me with 20 or 30 hours of travel and 2 hours of sleep in me. Just got up. I'm in Guangzhou, China, right there. We're here for the Canton Fair, which is China's largest import-export fair. We're gonna go meet with some vendors and walk around and see if there's any cool stuff and any cool people who need help in the United States. But first, let's do a little room tour. Conrad Hotel in Guangzhou. Separate bathroom with a sliding door that really doesn't work that well. Bathtub. Shower. Nice rain shower. Full room and bench. And then into the room. Pretty nice. Let's go upstairs and get some breakfast and see how Jack's doing. See you in a second. Okay, so we made it to the Canton Fair Fair Center Expo Hall or whatever it is. We have to go get our badges. Hopefully, we can find them around here somewhere. Oh, International Exhibitor Registration.
That's not right.
Buyers.
That's the Oh, handsome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Got my badge. Ready to go in. Actually, that was exceptionally painless. One thing that you need to do is make sure that you register online before you get here, so you don't have to fill out any forms or take any other photos, and it's free if you register online. If not, it's 100 RMB, which is like 20 bucks. Not a big deal.
So this is Canton Fair.
No, stop. Why are you trying to take over? Now you can.
No, I'm out. Sorry.
So this is Canton
Can't do
Fair.
it. Can't do it.
Here, hold on. We got in. Security wasn't hard, but was just long. And now we're in the main exhibitor halls, which are, I'll show you in just a second. Huge. Wow. Look at all of the facial recognition at the top of every tower. So in Chinese branding, there's a couple things. One is make it look like another brand, Nokia in this case, or just do a shitty job, lame-o. I just have no idea what they were thinking about calling their company lame-o. Jack?
I know what they were thinking. They were thinking nothing of it. They think it sounds cool. Doesn't sound like anything.
It's pretty lame. This place is pretty awesome, though. Lots of white labeling, not as much known brands as we thought. Keep moving. Alrighty, after an entire morning of walking around the fair, we discovered a couple things. A, that we need to come here with a bunch of stuff we want to white label and just know our prices and negotiate the shit out of them. And B, the big brands really aren't here, but it's really cool to look at. Now we're going to go try and find the metro back to our hotel here in Guangzhou, which we've never been on. So, new metro experience starts now. Okay, day 2 of meetings has begun, and now we're gonna get some food at some random office park. Wanna do one of these?
Sure.
Oh, soup?
Sure.
Or what's that one?
Rice and noodles.
Rice or noodles? Rice?
Sure.
Okay, we're gonna go get some rice. What you got, Jack?
No idea.
We got some beef stuff, rice. We're going to Banggood.
It's a pretty nice office park.
It's interesting. Sorry for the cut-in, but as I sit here and edit this thing, I realize that it's a little bit disjointed, so I wanted to add a little more context. We went to Guangzhou instead of Shenzhen to go to Canton Fair, which is the largest import-export fair in China. We went there just to take a look, no real agenda. It was really cool to look at it. The one thing we learned, which we did right, is that you need to apply ahead of time so that you just go there and get your badge printed rather than filling out all the forms and doing everything in line, because that can take up to 4 or 5 hours, whereas if you do everything ahead of time, you can get the badge printed at your hotel without even having to do anything else. And more than anything, they send you a visa invitation letter so that you can get a visa in the United States to go there. We had a great time. We got to see a whole bunch of cool products, and then we went around and talked with some of our clients who are in Guangzhou, as opposed to Shenzhen. This video we're going to end basically right now. I'll send you back when we go back to our hotel in the car, and then the next video is the high-speed train from Guangzhou to Shenzhen, which is actually kind of cool. With that, remember, subscribe up here, right up here. More videos down here, or in the computer screen. And I will post another one hopefully quickly. I also have a flying video coming up very soon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.